question that I had was in terms of, I see there are multiple plans that we offer it as far as
Instead of giving forward-looking statements, let me tell you historically what has happened, and you can
Okay.
use that as a baseline to maybe understand the reality. So for the Ultimate and Ultimate Pro, we are looking at a baseline time period of profile building as about 2.5 years at least, is what we've seen. Like for example, the people who joined those plans when I first launched, maybe like in 6 months of the launch, 2.5, 3 years ago, are the kind of people that are coming out with an approval right now because it takes so much work. The VIP plan, on the other hand, I mean, I'm not saying that the Ultimate and Ultimate Pro, there are zero people who did it quicker. There are some people who did it in 8 months also. But then if you look at the distribution, it looks like this. In the VIP plan, we are looking at the quick. So we launched it in, when did we launch it? We launched it like 8 to 10 months ago, and the quickest we saw in that was 5 months. But the baseline we are seeing is about now, like the first ba- group of people that joined late last year are the group of people that are kind of getting approved around this point in time now. So you're looking at 8 to 10 months of profile building and filing and getting approved. That's also because we vet the profile well enough to have a decent sense of confidence. Of course, we can't give guarantees because that's dependent on the other party's work also. But we try to gain sufficient confidence through our past records to see if that's a profile that we can actually help in a year, in 12 months. And
Got
we
it.
hold that 12 months point as a very strict metric to accept anyone into the VIP plan to begin with. Yeah.